Now children, we will start our new chapter, that is untouchability, in the civics portion 7th chapter, as a social evil. Evil means immoral, social immoralities means how this behave in the society immoral way. है ना, untouchability. Untouchability means you cannot touch a particular caste system. है ना, तो that will be untouchable, छुआछूत. So there are many social evil in our society that are outcome of our caste system. That untouchable person will come from the caste system. That untouchability will be based on the caste system. Means we cannot touch the IC/ST person, lower caste person. So that is untouchability. Is one of the social such evil. Earlier, people belonging to the Shodra caste were treated as untouchables. Means earlier at the ancient time, Shodra caste person will treated as untouchable person. They perform menial tasks. They will perform their job was removing human extra. Carcass means dead bodies, taking dead bodies and burn them, clearing roads. Therefore, they were treated as not allowed to contact with the other person. They are treated very much low caste. So this section of society lived in object poverty. Object means degradation. Degradation means बहुत ही लो कास्ट सिस्टम, बहुत ही पुअर कास्ट में ट्रीट किया जाता था दिस कास्ट सिस्टम को, है ना. सो द रूट ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी कैन बी ट्रेस्ड टू द कास्ट सिस्टम प्रिवलेंट इन द वैदिक टाइम्स. मीन्स दिस कास्ट सिस्टम वॉज प्रिवलेंट इन द वैदिक टाइम. फ्रॉम द वैदिक टाइम, फ्रॉम द एंशियंट टाइम, दिस अनटचेबिलिटी कॉन्सेप्ट इज देयर. So the caste system was known by the Varna systems, which was based on color and occupations. Means what was the business of that person, what was the occupation, what colors they belongs. So that all depends on untouchable person. They are all called as untouchable person. So society has divided our caste system to 4. This is what we have read in the 6th class. Varnas, Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Sudras, है ना. तो ब्राह्मण्स वर एट द टॉप ऑफ द हायरार्की. मीन सबसे ऊंची कास्ट कौन सी कहलाई जाती थी? ब्राह्मण्स. They have a knowledge of scriptures and perform yashas and worshipped in temples. They will have the right to worship in the temples. Mean pandits were there. So at that time they will treat it as very high priorities. At very high priorities. Second caste system Kshatriyas. They were the warriors. Warriors means लड़ाई करने, शत्रु को लड़ाई करने के लिए, kingdoms को free कराने के लिए they were treated as. So they were followed by the Vaishyas who worked as craftsmen. They worked as a craftsmen, farmers, merchants and traders. They were the business class. Kshatriyas were having the business class. The Shudras occupied the lowest rank in the social hierarchy. Then nextly that the Shudras were occupied lowest in the hierarchy. उसके नीचे आते थे Kshatriyas, के नीचे Shudras आते थे. They will treat it as a lowest rank in the society. So they will be treated as a low rank in the social hierarchy. There are manual workers who served as the first 3 classes and did physical labor. They will do these 3 castes will be treated as non-touchable person. But they are forced to live in the outskirts of the villages and were forbidden to enter into temples. But below in the hierarchy, below the Sudras, they will treated as they will not enter to the temples. उनको treat किया जाता था. They will not allowed to go to the temple, public wells, tanks से पानी नहीं ले सकते थे. So at the lowest rank, Sudras were there. है ना, the lowest caste system, Sudras will treated as a lowest caste. Next topic, manual scavengers. Means this question is also there. Manual scavenging refers to the manual removing of human extra from dry toilets. Means a person who is taking the toilets or who was cleaning the toilets, है ना, or make the dry toilets. So that person is called as manual scavengers, considered to be a most oppressed section in the society. अभी भी हम उनको यही मानते हैं कि हमको उनको नहीं छूना है ना, टॉयलेट जो क्लियर करते हैं. They are served in the separate utensil. They will give the separate utensil to eat. उनको touch भी नहीं करना. They were not allowed to go to the temples and draw water from the tanks. And that the upper caste, they will not allow that upper caste person will touch them. उनको एकदम अलग से रखा जाता था. आज की डेट में भी हम वी आर नॉट टचिंग दैट पर्सन. Manual scavenging is a dangerous and inhuman work. They were treated as a very dangerous and inhuman work to them. And manual scavengers are not provided with gloves and masks. They will not allowed to wear the gloves and masks. Thus, they are exposed to various kind of skin respiratory or gastrointestinal diseases. So they were caused by this problem. Skin infection हो जाता था, respiratory हो जाता था, gastrointestinal हो जाता, diseases हो जाता था. They will come because they are not wearing the mask और gloves, है ना, तो इसलिए उनको ये सब diseases हो जाती थी. Nextly, law for manual scavenging is there. Some laws are made it for them person to protect their rights. That is, the miserable condition of manual scavenging was brought to light by Mahatma Gandhi. The condition was brought by the Mahatma Gandhi to make them the upper caste, to make them given the importance in the society. However, it took many years to make the law for them. बहुत time लगा. First law was made in 1993. The Employment of Manual Scavengers and Construction of Dry Latrines Act was passed. First act was 1993 में पास किया. So this act was passed. Who is constructing for the toilets, dry toilets, the person who were cleaning this thing, doing this thing, so that act is passed for them. Offender can be prosecuted under if someone treat their untouchable them, so they will be punishable under this act. Then another in 2004, Supreme Court has received a petition filed by सफाई कर्मचारी, है ना, एक पिटीशन सुप्रीम कोर्ट में फाइल की गई 2004 में by the सफाई कर्मचारी. In that petition also it was decided that they will not treat it as untouchable. So some laws were made it for them. So nextly, that सफाई कर्मचारी आंदोलन, therefore it issues notice to the center and the state union territories to end the practice of manual scavenging. जो आप कर रहे हैं उनको छुआछूत की कर रहे हैं उनको स्टॉप किया जाए. So Supreme Court decided this case in 2004 that they will not treat it as untouchable. So the Supreme Court also passed an interim order and asked every department of the center and state to file an affidavit within 6 months on whether or not manual scavenging is still being resorted to. Means Supreme Court ने और डिमांड किया, ऑर्डर और इंटीम ऑर्डर पास किया कि still they are using untouchable person, they have treated untouchability. So within 6 months the case will be decided that this will not treated as manual scavenging is still practiced or not. So if the affidavit affirms the existence of manual scavenging, then the concerned department should also include time-bound program for their rehabilitation. Means if there will be any affidavit is filed in the Supreme Court में कोई affidavit file हुआ कि they are treated as this person as an untouchable, so time boundation दे दी कि नहीं, you have to make some program for them. सफाई कर्मचारी is also a person, so they will also bounded by the time, है ना, by the time they are also bounded by the time or departments, so they should have a time bound program also to rehabilitate. उनको rehabilitate करना, उनको फिर से एक पोजीशन दिलाना सोसाइटी में. So this will be the laws made for the manual scavenging. Three topic is given. If you are done any type of crime against them, so you are punishable under this provisions.